How to get your own AI avatar on Veed.io. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on media. Then once you click on media, as you guys can see, you have AI avatars right here. You're gonna click on view all, or you can get your own avatar, you can customize it. But I'm gonna click on view all. Then once you click on view all, you have many options right here. You have hundreds of options right here. Now from here, you're just gonna have to pick a realistic one. So I got one right here. I'm gonna pick Noah. Once I pick Noah, I could change their language to anything. But I'm gonna just keep it on English because that's my primary language. Now from here, I'm gonna just put my script real quick. So the script has to be under 20,000 letters. That's the only problem. Other than that, everything else is good. Then once you put the script, you're gonna have to click on generate video. This is not free, you need to pay for it. The first video they're gonna do it for free, but after that, every single one you gotta pay for it. So this is not free. But if this video helps, do make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.